Hi mga mamshi! Subukan na natin ng JLo product. That received the product for JLo. Number 1 po ito. Tsaka yan. Nilagyan ko na ng number. Basahin muna natin yung face bago lagyan ng ganito. Pang rinse kasi. Pwede siyang ganyanin hanggang leeg. Tingnan natin kung maganda. Masyado siyang maganda, guys. Ito, serum. Yung serum, ipahid niya siya buong mukha hanggang neck. Number 3, ito ay hydrating cream. Pwede niyo siyang ipahid ng morning and evening. Siya sa face, tsaka sa neck, guys. Tapos, eye cream, guys, to eye cream. Ala, ganito pala siya, guys. Exciting. Charan! Ayan, ganyan siya, guys. Hello, everyone. Ito makatapos ko lang ako ng hello. Ito ang hanggang gagawin ko. Sa morning, nakakita ako
Never ever sue the driver who crashed into you after a car accident. There's a better way to get compensated that's faster, easier, and could get you way more money without spending years in court or paying expensive lawyers up front. Would take at least a year, maybe longer. Derek decided to check if he multiple choice questions about what happened. No legal terminology, nothing complicated. Takes roughly 30 seconds and checking is 100% free.
Nalambot to sa mukha ba? Lalagay nyo yun para hanggang sa neck, face, and neck. Para feel nyo talaga. Tapos, number 5, eye cream. Eye cream, guys. Yan, ganyan lang. Ganyan lalagyan nyo lang siya. And then,